Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use promo code on Uber. So do you want to save money on your next Uber ride? I'd like you to know that using the promo code is a great way to unlock discounts and special offers. So whether you've got a referral code or a promo from Uber, here's exactly how to apply it in just a few simple steps. First things first, go ahead and tap on the Uber app to open it. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the account icon. Now that's the one that looks like a little person, and that's gonna walk you into the accounts window. Now you're in the accounts menu. The next thing to do is to check the top, and we'll go back on it. This was a mistake. So check the top corner, you're gonna find a couple of options: help, wallet, and activity. So just go ahead and tap on the wallet icon. This is where Uber stores your payments methods and, yes, your promo codes too. You have voucher and then you have promo code at the bottom. Now inside the wallet, look for the add promo code options, usually near the bottom of the screen. So go ahead and click on it's the last option. Click on add promo code. You now see a blank field which is here. Now go ahead and tap in your promo code exactly as it appears. Double check for typos. Promo codes are case sensitive and must be entered correctly. Once your code is in, tap the add button, and if the code is valid, you see a confirmation that it's been successfully added to your account. Your promo will automatically apply to your next eligible ride based on the promo's terms. Just book your ride like you normally would and look for the discount reflected on the fare preview before you confirm. Now, you can only use one promo code at a time, and some codes are location or time specific, so make sure to check the promo's terms and expiration date. And that's it. You've now added the promo code to your Uber account and you're ready to ride for less. So go over this tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search